Welcome to Yellow Meow channel.
Today I will tell you a story called Lost Rabbit. Ta-da! There were two rabbits went to forest one day and got lost. Smaller rabbit said, "Because of you, we get lost." Bigger rabbit said,
I'm so sorry. Sorry, brother. Don't get angry with me, brother. I'm so sorry.
"Don't worry, Big Meow will get you home. This is your house. And this is your bedroom. Let's take a nap." This is the end of my story.
Big Meow, what are you playing with?
I am playing with little Meow toys.
Did you ask her?
Yes, I did. She told me that I can use it.
After that, if she asks for your toys, don't refuse.
Yes, I remember. I will share my toy with her.
Okay, I will put it away. Look, your hair is so messy. Let me help you. Hey, my little girl.
Yes, Mom.
Are there anything interesting at school? Tell me.
No, nothing much.
Really? But I heard you were punished because you are so talkative at school.
Oh, I am not talkative. My teacher asked my classmate a question, but he don't know the answer, so I help him to answer this question. I don't know why she punished me.
Listen, when you want to answer the question, you have to raise your hand. When your teacher allows you to answer, you answer. Don't do like you did. It's not good.
I just wanna help him. That's not my fault. Why you always scold me? Why?
Hey, look at me. I don't always scold you. When your teacher said you behave very good at school, I praise you. Is that?
Yes.
Okay, listen to me. When you behave good, people will praise you. When you do something wrong, they will punish you. If you want to have more compliment, you have to be a good girl.
Yes, I remember.
Okay, do your homework quickly and go to bed. Hurry up!
Yes, Mom. Remember, when you want to borrow something from someone, ask them first.
If you want to answer a question, raise your hand first.
It's enough for today.
See you later on Yellow Meow channel.